What's up guys, I'm Ep9 from Taste of Asian Food. Today, I want to show you how to prepare a sweet and sour sauce, especially for pork ribs. I've uploaded one video before about sweet and sour sauce, and that was made with tomato ketchup, chili sauce, plum sauce, a bit of honey, and some lemon juice. However, there are many different sauces of sweet and sour. Today, I want to introduce to you a popular sweet and sour sauce in Singapore and Malaysia. It was created in the 1960s, that was last century, and apparently was created by a master chef from Singapore for his signature sweet and sour pork when he opened his restaurant. That was called Kyoto pork ribs. But it was so good that the local people started to call it as pork rib king. And that name, pork rib king, is stick to the recipe until today. The sauce for this pork rib is a modernized Chinese sauce. You know, there's Worcestershire sauce inside. So it is not traditional, but it is because it is also used some Chinese rice vinegar, which is specifically used to prepare this sauce. So now let's take a look at how to prepare this sauce for the pork rib king. Keep watching. One of the main ingredients is Chinese rice vinegar. You can either use the black vinegar, which is called 真姜香醋. In English, we call it 青姜 vinegar. It is essentially made with sorghum and rice. You can also use the red vinegar, which is called 蔗醋, which is from Zhejiang province, and that is slightly red, and it is made with glutinous rice, and the red color, it is from the red yeast that is involved in the preparation. Next, we have Worcestershire sauce. There's something that is not traditional, but it gives you some unique taste when it is combined with the Chinese vinegar. Tomato ketchup, or if not, you can substitute it with tomato paste. Next one, Chinese plum sauce, which is a viscous, light brown, sweet color sauce. It is made with sweet plum along with some vinegar, some sugar, and some salt. This combination also requires some sugar and some Chinese 5-spice powder. And the 5-spice powder is a combination of star anise, fennel, peppercorns, some cinnamon, and cloves. Lastly, we add some water, and then we bring all these ingredients in a pot to a boil. You can get the measurement of all these ingredients in the description down below the video. When it comes to a boil, let it cool and set aside. The amount of this sauce that I made is enough for about 4 portions, each about 100 ml of the sauce, which is enough for half a kilo or 1 pound of pork ribs, or any meats. Once the sauce is cool enough, you can transfer it to some freezer-safe containers, and then you keep it in the freezer. It should be able to keep up to at least 2 to 3 months without any noticeable change of the taste. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to make these Kyoto pork ribs, or pork rib king. This sauce can also be used to marinate meat, to make some char siu style barbecue pork, which I intend to make some videos in the future for you. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, click the notification bell, and give me a like. Share it with your friends and family on the social media, and I will see you again soon. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.